5 AI agents, 5 different CAD backends, 1 tolerance part, 1 identical prompt. All 5 got it right. The 5 solids are geometrically identical, 0.000 cubic millimeters apart. So the interesting number isn't accuracy. It's cost. The 2 agents that drove a GUI through a tool bridge burned about 27% more tokens than the 3 that just wrote Python. Setup, briefly. 1 part spec, a 4-lobe bearing end cap, 20 tolerance dimensions, 15 required features. 1 prompt, sent verbatim to 5 agents. 3 wrote Python against the OCCT kernel. Build 123D, CAD query, and the raw kernel API. 2 drove real GUI applications over an MCP bridge. FreeCAD and Fusion 360. No agent ever saw the reference model, and a separate blind session verified the 5 outputs. The 3 Python lanes look identical from outside, a terminal and a log. The agent writes a script, runs it, reads its own measurements, and fixes what's off. Raw OCP was the fastest lane, 7 minutes 10, 0 errors, and the finished script executes in 1.4 seconds. That's the bare kernel API with no guardrails. 1 correction, there are no Python bindings for OCCT 8 anywhere. So this lane ran at 7.9.3, the same kernel version underneath. Build 123D and CAD query. CAD query, 835, 0 errors, first build passed. Build 123D, 1032, and 3 scripting errors on the way. All non-fatal, all fixed in run without me. The 2 GUI lanes you can actually watch. Fusion 360, driven through a community MCP add-in. Sketches to extrudes and fillets appearing in the viewport, all agent issued. 9 minutes 26, and 1 error the whole run. The add-in's mass properties tool has a bug. The agent read volume another way and moved on. FreeCAD, and I have to flag this. Every FreeCAD frame here is a replay. The original capture recorded only a welcome dialogue. The run completed, and its metrics are real. The footage is a re-execution of the agent's own script, captioned throughout. 0 errors, 15 of 15 features, and 27.5 minutes. By far the slowest lane. So, 5 lanes, 5 approved parts, all on iteration 1. 20 out of 20 dimensions, 15 out of 15 features, every lane. The blind verifier booleaned all 10 pairs against each other and got 0.000 cubic millimeters of difference. Same part, 5 times over. The final score is a 3-way tie at 99 with 2 more at 98. Nobody won this. Which leaves the axis my own rubric was too coarse to catch. Estimated token usage for the modeling agent. Every lane scored full marks here. They all landed in the same bucket. But look at the actual numbers. The 3 code lanes average 66,769. The 2 MCP lanes averaged 84,669, about 27% more tokens for the same solid. Cheapest was raw OCP at 60,690. Most expensive was Fusion 360 at 90,649. And that's a separate axis from speed. Fusion was the most expensive lane and also the second fastest at 926. Every tool call crosses the bridge as text, so the cost tracks the conversation, not the geometry. If you're picking a backend for agentic CAD, for a part like this, they all get there. What differs is what the round trip costs you. A GUI bridge buys you a viewport you can watch, and you pay for it per token. Spec, prompts, and raw data are linked below.